Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change practice arena player in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. So if the player is in the same team, then just pause the game, go to game plan and go to the option substitutions. So right here we need to select the player which we wanna pick. I'll go with done. Once you choose that, just replace that with the top player. Select that and you can see that done is on the top. It means that we're gonna practice with the done. Now just save this with your start key or pause key and just select that, get back, and yeah, you can see that the player has been changed. And that's exactly how you can change the player if the player is in the same team. But if the player is in another team, let's say Chicago, so for that you need to exit from this, exit, then we again gonna select freestyle, and right here we need to change the team first. So I wanna go for Chicago. I can select that, start the game. Since the team here is now Chicago, we can go to substitution again and choose the player with whom we wanna practice. I'll select Williams and replace that with the top player and just get back from this. Yep, there you go, the player has been changed. And that's exactly how you can change practice arena player in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.